Today we're going to be trying this red copper cooker thing. Okay guys, this is what we got here today. We got this red copper 5-minute chef. You're supposed to be able to cook meals, snacks, and desserts in minutes. Okay, so it's supposed to have a little a recipe booklet, like a little recipe guide, and a spatula in it. So let's open it up. Let's check it out. Okay, and this is our little recipe booklet. Different recipes in there. Today we're just gonna, I think we'll just make a quick omelet type thing, you know, just cook some eggs in there and see what's going on. See how well it works. And there's the little, it's just a little, this is plastic handle, but this is rubber, just a little thing. It has a light here, green and red. I'm guessing green will be ready to, it's ready to cook. Okay guys, we're back. We've got this plugged in. As you can see, this red light right here is on. When this is ready to cook, the green light, the red light will go out and the green light will come on. Now this, you don't want to cook with that. They don't want you to lock that down when you're cooking, because they're afraid pressure might build up and you can get burnt. So just leave that unlocked, because the omelet, we're just going to make a quick omelet. It's not going to, you don't have to flip it. Now there are some recipes to where, ooh, that's hot, where you got to flip this. So, alright, so first it says you can use 2 large eggs, but don't go any larger. It says, that's exactly what it says, don't go any larger. So what we're going to do is, these are just large eggs. What?
Okay.
What did I do wrong?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
That eggshell out there. Alright, so there's that. Now we're going to whisk this up. And there's only so much you can put in anyway, because they don't want you to go over a certain inside there. Oh, you can't see it, but anyway. Okay, so there's that. Put a little pepper in here, because I got Monkey sitting here beside me. She will be my guinea pig. Won't you, Monkey?
No.
Yes, she will. Yeah, she will.
I will. I'm just kidding.
I'm going to put these in here, and it says they want you to open this from the side. Now we're going to dump this in here. Now let's close it, and we'll be back with you in 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, the timer just went off on the stove, so it has been 4 minutes, and we're going to check this together. Alright, here we go. Let's open it up carefully, like they say, from the side.
Ooh, look. It puffied up.
Now we got a plate right here. We're going to try to put it on the plate. See if it sticks or anything. Wow.
Nice.
Look at that.
Very nice.
And look at that. Look inside that pan.
Yep. No mess.
No mess. And then they say you just wipe it out. So let's see. Made a cheese omelet. I see
Look
the
how
cheese
hot
in
it
there.
is.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's nice and done. It says 3 to 4 minutes. We had it on 4 minutes. So.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, well, let's see. Here you go.
You go ahead. You eat
There you
it.
go. Now, Monkey's going to
nice and
try
fluffy.
this for us.
Yeah, it looks good. Very hot.
Shut the light out so we're not blinding her.
Hmm.
There we go. How is it?
Good.
As good as on in a regular skillet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Thumbs up so far?